Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel English Journey Together. In this today's video, I'm going to tell you few sentences. Those are incorrect, and I'm going to tell you how to use those sentences in correct way. Okay, let's begin the video now. First one sentence is, who did you see in the park? Correct sentence is, whom did you see in the park? See, left side which are I'm showing, those sentences are incorrect, and in right side I'm showing correct sentences. Okay, see, once again I repeat, you repeat with me also. Who did you see in the park? See, this is incorrect. Correct sentence is, whom did you see in the park? Second sentence is, nobody will help you but me. Correct sentence is, nobody will help you but I. In second sentence, we have to use I instead of me. Nobody will help you but me. This is wrong. Nobody will help you but I. This is right. Next sentence, he has two brother-in-laws. See, this is wrong. He has two brother-in-laws. Wrong. We have to use the sentence, he has two brothers-in-law. We have to add S form to brothers, not laws. In incorrect sentence, the S is added to the laws, means he has two brother-in-laws. See, this is wrong. He has two brothers-in-law. See, this is right. Next sentence is, the room contains 10 furnitures. See, this is incorrect. We have to say the sentence, the room contains 10 pieces of furniture. The room contains 10 pieces of furniture. Next sentence is, please put your sign here. See, this is wrong. See, please put your sign here. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, please put your signature here. Please put your signature here. Next sentence is, every man must carry their luggage themselves. See, this is wrong. Correct sentence is, every man must carry his luggage himself. Every man must carry his luggage himself. Next sentence is, none of the girls have come in uniform. See, this is wrong. We have to use this sentence, none of the girls has come in uniform. Next sentence is, it is too dark to see clear. See, this is incorrect. Correct sentence is, it is too dark to see clearly. We have to use clearly. It is too dark to see clearly. This is correct sentence. Next sentence is, here is my cup, please fill. Instead, we have to say, here is my cup, please fill it. See, once again you can repeat, here is my cup, please fill it. Next sentence is, I am learning a new poetry. See, this is incorrect sentence. See, I am learning a new poetry. This is incorrect. We have to say, I am learning a new poem. I am learning a new poem.